The Department of the Army recognized 6 installations, 1 team and 1 individual, for their contributions to environmental stewardship. The 2006 Secretary of the Army Environmental Award winners used innovative methods to help sustain training lands now and for the future. Correspondent Jeannie Ryan joins us with more.
Thanks, Courtney. The Secretary of the Army Environmental Award is the Army's highest honor in the field of environmental science. This year's winners helped protect endangered species, reduce waste, preserve history, restore the environment, and prevent pollution. Fort Lewis, Washington is removing a couple of hundred World War II-era wood frame buildings to make room for redevelopment. Using innovative deconstruction, salvage, and reuse methods, the installation is diverting the construction and demolition debris from local landfills. Fort Lewis's goal is to achieve zero net waste by 2025. Bradford Army Ammunition Plant in Virginia is one of the Army's main propellant production facilities. The plant incorporated green design techniques into a new TNT manufacturing process to continue its military mission while maintaining the ecological balance in the area. The Army National Guard Camp Edwards training site in Massachusetts is critical for air assault, warfighting simulation, and engineering training. It's also home to a rare time-barren ecosystem. Through controlled burning, forest management, and monitoring, the Natural Resource Department balances protecting rare species with rigorous training activities. Letterkenny Army Depot in Pennsylvania used lean manufacturing methods to deliver about 900 reinforced armor Humvee door kits to soldiers in Iraq. The lean initiatives help the facility reduce waste, eliminate sources of pollution, improve environmental quality, and save millions of dollars in production and waste disposal costs. Shortening cleanup project timelines, reducing environmental remediation costs, and reusing cleanup sites in an innovative way is the primary focus for the environmental team on Fort Riley, Kansas. To help enhance training for soldiers, the team converted a former landfill into a tactical unmanned aerial system operational area. The Cultural Resources Department at Fort Drum, New York set up mock Muslim cemeteries and archaeological sites for soldiers on convoys and foot patrols, as well as aerial gunnery avoidance target training to help them identify sacred grounds. The department is working to enhance soldier sensitivity to cultural and historic sites while engaging the enemy overseas. Kirsten Carmody George with the Indiana Army National Guard was recognized for her use of technology to manage and preserve cultural resources. Her involvement in the early stages of projects, like an urban training complex, helps with archaeological surveys and documentation of important sites. And finally, the U.S. Army Garrison Grafenwehr in Germany won an award for its efforts in providing soldiers with more training areas by rehabilitating land, reducing erosion, and effectively managing threatened and endangered species. Congratulations to all the winners. They will now go on to compete for the Secretary of Defense Environmental Awards.